insulin. So when the estrogen levels are high in the follicular phase, the insulin sensitivity will be more. But in the luteal phase, there is high progesterone level, which leads to decrease in the insulin sensitivity. So insulin works better in the follicular phase, which needs less of it to control the blood sugar. But in the luteal phase, insulin is higher here, and in follicular phase body handles more sugar. So if you keep on eating high carbohydrates or sugar in the follicular phase, body handles better in this phase as the insulin sensitivity will be more. But in the luteal phase, so there is more prone to the blood sugar swings, and there is more sensitivity to the blood sugar drops. And at ovulation, so insulin sensitivity starts decreasing. So as you can see here, so insulin sensitivity from the follicular phase to the luteal phase, so sensitivity keeps on decreasing. What I meant is, so insulin sensitivity, so it is depending upon the hormone variations. So as the estrogen levels are high in the follicular phase, insulin sensitivity will be more. So insulin works better. So if you consume high carbohydrate or the high sugar foods, but in the luteal phase, progesterone hormone will be more. So here insulin sensitivity will be less, which means so body can't handle the high sugar or the high carbohydrate content. So you can see how insulin works here. So in a healthy person, so pancreas releases the insulin here. So it is accepted by the insulin receptor and the cell, and the glucose enters the cell easily. So this is about the healthy individual. When coming to the type 1 diabetes, so here pancreas fails to produce the insulin. You have a glucose held up here, so which is not taken up by the cell, so which will be retained in the blood. So whereas in type 2 diabetes, there is production of enormous insulin. So you can see here in healthy individual, just one insulin is produced here, but in type 2 diabetes, there is production of enormous amount of insulin. So insulin receptor does not work properly, which leads to the insulin resistance. So which means the body cells don't respond normally to the insulin. So